morning, dear all children. Before coming to starting a chapter, let's see few pictures and then have discussion on it, and then we will begin a new chapters today. In the screen, you could see Adolf Hitler, a number one dictator of the world. How he worked his best to destroy Jews from Germany, how he built up so much concentration camp, and how he worked for the upliftment of Aryans in the society of Germany. We all know about it. In this picture, you could see there is a difference between a crown and a ballot box. It is somehow showing us the differences between democracy versus monarchy. एक जगह जहाँ पे क्राउन है वहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं मोनार्की में कोई इलेक्शन नहीं होता. राजा के बाद उनका बेटा और उसके बाद ये प्रोसेस चला आता है. इलेक्शन नहीं होता, वोटिंग नहीं होता, ये हायरार्कियल प्रोसेस चला आता है. पिता के बाद पुत्र और उसके बाद, जैसे हमने फ्रांस में देखा था, लुईस 14, लुईस 15, लुईस 16 ऑफ बर्बन डायनेस्टी. लेकिन अगर आप डेमोक्रेसी का बात करो तो ये बैलेट बॉक्स बहुत कुछ दिखाता है. डेमोक्रेसी इज़ ऑल अबाउट मेजॉरिटी ओपिनियन. हम वोट देते हैं, हम अपने रूलर को खुद से चुनते हैं. इट शोज द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द रूलर्स बीइंग इलेक्टेड इन मोनार्की एंड इन डेमोक्रेसी. Now students, see this. It is somehow showing that in one side, in the left side, you could see a king. The king is supposed to be more and more powerful than the rest of the people. The king shown here has immense power than the common people. Reason? No. No reason was there. Now you see this. It is a picture taken from the French society of before 1789. It was a harsh reality of France. In that you could see that a common people was having a burden. A common people was having a deteriorated condition in France before 1789. Whereas the king and the elite people, they were enjoying all the power in their hand. Now see the next. Who can forget this personality? Even a single child of the world is knowing about him. He is the present dictator of North Korea, Kim Jong-un. Now this word, democracy, isn't it very soothing? देख के ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये शब्द डेमोक्रेसी. स्टूडेंट्स, वी ऑल आर ब्लेस्ड that we are in our country India, and it is a democratic country where we all are being treated equal irrespective of our caste, gender, sex, religion, anything. And whenever we are talking about democracy, yes, we are talking about power sharing. And in today's course of discussion, we will talk about power sharing. Whenever there is democracy, there is power sharing. Where there is power sharing, there is less chances of war, conflict. Power sharing is there, peace is there. And people are very happy in the country where power is being shared. Rather, a country who do not share the power with the common people. So, today's point of discussion is power sharing.